Welcome to Golden, Colorado, home of Coors Brewery. Today, we are going to be visiting the brewery store, which is a bit of a production to get there. You start off your journey by parking in the Coors visitor parking lot. It's free to park here. You then approach a check-in desk where they will direct you which line to wait in. One is for brewery and tasting tours, and the other is for gift shop visitors. You then wait for the shuttle bus to arrive and take you on a short 5-minute drive to the brewery. Entering here is like going into the factory to work. It has a very industrial feel. The bus drops you off and directs you where to go. Upon stepping outside, your nostrils will become full from the smell of hops. It's really strong and really intense. We just got off the bus and we are crossing the Clear Creek. This is where they actually get the water to make their delicious beers from, and I can smell it already. It's a weird feeling walking from the bus to the building because it kind of feels like you are somewhere you shouldn't be. You're basically inside the facility with no guide at this point. When you enter the building, you will check in for your tour if you have one, or if you are just visiting, there's no need to check in. There's information all around about the history of the company if you're interested to learn. Adolf Coors came to America from Germany in 1868 at the age of 21 with no money and no clue how to speak English. In 1873, he discovered the perfect water to brew his beer in Golden, Colorado using Rocky Mountain spring water, and Coors was born. Once you've had your fill from the museum, you make your way on your own to the elevator up to the second floor, where you'll find more relics and information, but also the gift shop store. It's free to visit the store, but if you want to do a tasting or brewery tour, that will cost you and you will need to book in advance. When we visited in June, the brewery tours will fill for the next 2 weeks, so book early if you want to go. The store was pretty fun and expensive for us. They have lots of different Coors paraphernalia that you can buy, really nice apparel for reasonable prices. Most of what they had here was from the Coors theme, and even though they have other brands such as Molson and Miller, you won't find a ton of that merch here. For someone like me who doesn't even drink beer, I really enjoyed coming here and really couldn't resist the impulse to pick me up a sweatshirt. Once we had our fill, we then led ourselves to the elevator down to the first floor and then caught the next shuttle bus back to the parking lot. Next time, we will look early and plan to get the full brewery experience, but until then, it was a fun way to spend a couple of hours.